Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and today we're speaking to FB of EPAM, and we're going to look a little bit at the startup space and challenger banks and alternative finance players that are rising up next to the traditional banks. Do you see these players as competition for banks, or do you think we should see more sort of partnering and collaboration in the future?
I think third parties or startups are challenging the banks in their core business.
So you see them more as competition than
It's a competition.
Okay.
There are, if you compare a different industry, if you compare asset managers or wealth managers, there are incumbent vendors or incumbent banks who are feeling a competition from small software startups because they have this infrastructure. They don't have the financial advisors yet, but they have the infrastructure to help you to manage your wealth. But they don't have to keep 9,000 financial advisors around, so they are much more nimble, and their product is the software. And in this sense, everything what they do is about the software. And in this today's environment, really your software is your focal point. You no longer care who is your financial advisor. Yes, you care, but if you are a retail customer, you're not a high value, ultra high net worth or high net worth individual, then you're not going to get your private financial advisor or personal shopper. Basically, what you will get is you go into a branch and you're going to start talking with the teller there. And in that scenario, you really don't want to interact with that given person. You want to interact with the software. And if you put all your energy, all your focus, all your product engineering into delivering the best user experience in the software package, and make it seamless, you can win over customers. So that's why these startups are big competitions.
But you don't see that possibly banks could either buy these companies or partner with these companies to bring that software in?
They can bring the software in. Can they bring the culture in? That's a different question.
The billion pound question.
And I hope they can do that. I really hope they can do that. But it's very difficult transition. It's culture is a total clash of cultures, because in one end of the spectrum you have somebody who sees itself as a software company and building a product itself, which you deliver to end users. And the other end, you have financial institutes who don't believe that they are a software company. And actually, if you read the news, they do everything not to be a software company. They believe that they should not build the software itself. But in reality, the software is their brand.
Excellent. That's great. Thank you very much.